So you're going to step up onto the carriage, and you're going to take one foot, externally rotate that leg near the box, and place the foot on the edge of the box. Then, really stabilizing through the whole body, you're going to push out and tap your free foot to the jump board and bring the carriage back again. So you're really having to reach wide to get that star position. So find your best star you can find. That's right, in the sky. Good, 3 more like that. So exhale, reaching out, widening the chest, really sensing all limbs of your body reaching out. Good, and do that one more time. Pressing all the way, reaching out and bringing it back in again. Excellent. All right, the next one, you take your box foot and place it on the carriage. From here, you'll bring your knee up, your free knee up, and this is called star running. So you're going to push the carriage out, and as you bring it back in, you're going to come into a hinge pattern. And then push the carriage out, bringing the knee back in again, and then again bringing the carriage in. So pulling the knee in as you push the carriage out, and then pressing to go out to that long hinge, working on trying to maintain a level pelvis throughout that entire sequence.